Greetings, my name is Paris Boynes and I'm a learning garden educator with Greater Richmond Fit for Kids, where we make healthy fun. I'm between two middle schools where I hope to inspire students to develop healthy eating habits through planting, growing, harvesting, and tasting, of course. In this video, I'll be going over what type of seeds to plant. Now, in the previous video, I explained the parts of a plant, to include the flowers and the fruits. Well, seeds are made from the plant flowers or the fruit, and they both contain genetic information within them, each so unique that it will be known what these seeds will become. Seeds are so important because almost every plant in the world starts as a seed and then produces seeds. It's truly the cycle of life. Besides water, seeds pretty much have everything they need to grow. Flowers have to be fertilized by bees or birds by touching on one part of the plant to another, or flowers can just self-pollinate. Our farmers know a great deal about what seeds they need to plant. They tend to use plant catalogs or can even grow plants to make the seeds themselves. Each seed is so different in its germination period and is unique with its own shape, texture, feel, and color. So let's take a look at several different types of seeds to plant. We have marigold, Swiss chard, carrots, peppers, beans, broccoli, and kale. Each of these seeds have unique characteristics, in addition to its own adaptation for plant survival. Marigold seeds. They have pointed ends and a hollow top that can fly in low winds. Then they land upright on the ground. Swiss chard seeds. They have a bumpy surface with weird grooves that can trap water for better germination. Carrot seeds, they're flat and long with pointy ends and increase seed production from flowers. Pepper seeds are hairy and flat, but the small hairs can help with the transportation. Bean seeds, they're edible, round, large, and filled with high protein. And broccoli and kale seeds, they're really the same plant. They're just prepared differently. Broccoli is cultivated for its flowers, and kale is cultivated through its leaves. Whether flower or vegetable seeds are being planted, it's important to keep in mind the season. Now, farmers have to keep in mind what was planted last year, the sun direction, and what plant works well together by using a pattern to move their crops around. This keeps the farm healthy, and for certain we know that the seeds can germinate properly year after year. Wow! And before you know it, you'll be cultivating your own farm or garden. Be sure to water daily and have a label and date for each of the seeds that you planted. You can check out future videos for myself along with several other videos from our Greater Richmond Fit for Kids educators. Happy and healthy eating!